Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. I am so excited to show you this set. It is so beautiful. We've got a nice Christmas tree here with a light brick and a little snowman. Dad's by the letterbox and it comes with 1445 pieces and Santa is going to drop through the chimney. And here he is. He's getting ready to drop down. I love how that's built. And look how detailed this set really is. You get lots of toys and the interior is fitted out very nicely. Over here, see, we get the light brick for the tree and Dad's in the kitchen cooking and oh, Santa's relaxing with his milk and cookies. All right, let's open it up. There are 9 bags in this set. And in the instruction booklet here, look, we've got the family portrait. That's going to go above the fireplace. I can't wait to put that up. All right, bag number 1. What have we got here? And lots of green stuff. So we must be building the Christmas tree. Take a look at this pearlescent brick. I love it. It's going to be a little light and Dad's happy and look at his little red scarf and sweater. He looks so good. No printing on the back, but that's all right. And look at this letter. It has a different print to this one that I have. I like the new print better. Look at the stamp on it and there's more writing and Dad's happy. He is standing next to his nice fence here and he's just taken the letter out of this cute little letterbox. Take a look at the letterbox. I love it. And here is the stand for our spectacular Christmas tree and look, you get a light brick. Look at this tree. It is so beautiful. I'll try and turn the lights off so you can see it a little bit better flashing on and off. And oh no, you can't. Oh, you can see a little bit. It looks so beautiful. I love that they put the light brick in. And we've got a little trumpet here and my reindeer is playing the trumpet. We have a little house here with a car and a tree, a rocket ship, and we have some presents here to put under the tree. My cat's decided to climb the tree. Mickey, get down. I don't want you knocking it over. Come on. Come on, buddy. Good boy. All right, bag number 2, and I see Mum. And that top looks familiar. It's from one of the Lego City houses I have. Same face, she's smiling. She is super happy to be moving into her new home. Let's put some legs on you and we've got to find your hair. Not in that bag. Oh, here it is. And take a look at her bun. It has braids all through it. I love that hairpiece. I want more of these. They're looking good, Mum. All right, bag number 3 I'm opening also, and we've got some wall bricks and green bits and pieces, and look, a whisk. I love the W shape of the base of this house. It gives it a unique look and the snow out the front, and this is what's happening underneath to keep it all together. All right, so bag number 2 and 3 do this section here. So we've got some snow at the front, we've got your little pigeon there or dove, got some holly and garlands hanging up, and look, you get a loaf of bread and a little mixer so you can mix your cookie dough with, and I absolutely love how that sink was built. I love it. What a cute little kitchen and stove. And we've got some fire here in the fireplace, and that's a present that's going to be hidden behind the chair because the parents, yes Mum, you hid a present, as we all do. We hide presents around the house. So bag 4, and this is that medium blue colour that we're getting the house in. I'm so excited. It's not like a grey house. I love colour. And this is what is happening with bag 4. Got a door, we've got the fireplace built up a bit where Santa's going to jump down. We've got some nice windows here and all the decorations, and look at the garland on the front door, and the front door goes inwards, so I really like that. Bag 5, and I saw a circle piece. That's for the family portrait, and I can see some candles. We're going to get lots of candles also. Here we are. I have built a chair here. Look at this comfy armchair, and see the present. The chair is hiding that present there, and we've got some milk and cookies, and look, it's got new sprinkles. I love it. So the designer said they're melting moments that his family makes every year. And we've got a clock there, and take a look at this Christmas stocking. That looks really good. And we've got 3 hanging there for the family of 3. This is so cute. And I'm going to try and fit into the kitchen, so it's a bit short there for me with my hat on, so I had to take my hat off. Bag 6. So bag 6, we get to do bits and pieces of furniture for the house, and we get to make the girls a little bed. And oh, here she is, look at her little PJs in teal, and she's got snowflakes on them, and a sleepy face and a happy face. We'll leave you with your happy face and your pigtails. You're just too cute. And let's give you this biscuit. Yummy! Start eating the cookies. Alright, so here we go. We've got the angled roof. We've got some bells at the front, and this is the angled roof piece. And this is how it attaches here. Look at this. I like that. It actually wasn't that hard to do. And here's her little desk, because this is her bedroom up the top, and this is a 4x5 bed, and we're popping it here, and see it's got the clips there, because I'm going to put the railing up here so she doesn't fall down. There we go, that clips in, so it's like a loft bedroom. I just love this set. I'm liking it even more with this dining table, and look, it's got a table runner here. We've got some candles as a centerpiece, and we're going to pop it over here. I love this. We can all sit at the dining table on these comfy chairs. They look comfortable. Look at the backs on them. They're like a little fluffy puffy cushion. Look at that. So we get 4 of these. I love how my mini doll can sit on these also. They're perfect for Mum. She's sitting here. Dad's still holding the letter, and he's still smiling away. And the little girl, we'll move her cookie there. Go sit at the table. And I'm joining the family today. See how perfect this table is for mini dolls. I'm loving this. Bag number 7. So this will be the start of the angled roof, and we're going to have a candle, I think, in the window at the top, and a light fitting. Here's the angled roof, and they're quite clever that you can move them like this. It actually was alright to attach. See, there's the little piece there that you attach it. And look at the light fitting that's hanging above the table. I love all the details in this set. And look at these. So instead of using masonry bricks, we used plates with a curved edge. How clever. So bag 8 does the wall at the front, and you get the decoration. So the little garland that's on the front of the house too. And there's a little pink bit there. I think that's for another hidden present. And bag 9 just finishes everything off, and I see a sack. And look, Santa, he's here. We are going to put Santa together. There's his little hat. Oh, so gorgeous. Let's put your beard on. We need your big beard. And look at your face. You're more friendlier than my other Santa. You've got like a little nice happy face on, and this hat is tricky to put on. There we go. There's your little pants with your black boots, and hold on to your sack. So here's the finished house here. See the hidden present up there? It's so cute. So parents hiding more presents. and the roof parts are all finished. Oh, I'm just loving this set. So this is what the front looks like, and we've got the garland going up here. There's a little candle in the window there. Mum and daughter at the front, and look, more of those pearlescent light fittings. I love those. And what else do we have here? We've got little bells on the side, which we saw before. And this part here, oh look, there's flames there. So Santa's going to burn himself when he goes down the chimney later. And we've got like a little planet there for the girl. So it's like on her roof bit there. And we've got a letter, Dear Santa. She's writing him a letter, what she would like for Christmas. And Santa, we are going to test you out down this chimney. Whoa, that was super fast. It's because he was burnt going down with all those flames there. Before you go down, let's try this again. Whoa, super fast. And now Santa has a super headache because he just went down that chute too quick. And let's turn this around again because I forgot to show you. Look at this cute little snowman. That is just too cute. And we have, that's the top of the chimney, the finished bit. So you can, I guess, take it off to get Santa out because he does get stuck. And we've got the tree, and that's like a little birdhouse, but the bird won't fit. So maybe it's like a bird feeder. We can call it a bird feeder, I think. But I love how that tree's built. I love this set. Let's put all the bits and pieces together. Put the tree here out the front. Mum, Dad, he's still smiling. Oh, happy Christmas. And Santa, let's put you on the roof. Whoopsies, he's fallen down. We are having a Christmas Eve party. The Lego friends have joined us, and River and Daniel. We're all having fun and enjoying milk and cookies. Here is the snowball fight right before Christmas, right before Santa comes. We're all having a great time. And the little girl is fast asleep waiting for Christmas Day. The Winter Santa's Visit set. I just love this. I love the open back as it's just so easy to play with and easy to display. I love the shape of it, that it's not just flat on the front, and it goes perfect in any winter village or Christmas setting that you have. I hope you enjoyed this video and that maybe you will get this set too. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative. See ya!